in the city downtown core, as well as pop a few eardrops, and that's why you never ever see our performing aircraft actually break the speed of sound. But here you hear that distinctive thump of the rotors of the Chinook helicopter. Those are the tips of the propellers actually reaching the speed of sound. Now the Chinook is an advanced multi-mission medium to heavy lift helicopter used to transport equipment and personnel during domestic or deployed operations. Since its most recent upgrade, the CH-47M has increased its internal fuel capacity, allowing it to fly twice as far as previous models. And there's a good look at the helicopter as they go by, and you'll see that the rear cargo door and ramp is open on the helicopter. And if you look real close, you might see right inside the helicopter as they turn. There it is. You can see straight through the fuselage of the helicopter, straight into the cockpit of the Chinook. Now these impressive workhorse helicopters, a dramatic improvement to the earlier models of the 1970s and the 1980s. They include a full range of leading-edge systems that permit them to operate effectively. Helicopter maintaining altitude along the shoreline, but then pirouetting as it goes by. There again is a good look at the rear end of the Chinook helicopter. Look closely, the ramp is open. You'll see right inside that helicopter. Major veteran today is Captain Mateo Fugler, born in Quebec, joined the Canadian Forces in 2015. Did his pilot wings in October of 2018, and our military shows us when we need it the most. We're going to get a couple more passes by the helicopter. Look at this, folks. This is going to be a high-speed pass. Here say that we're going to get one more pass by the Chinook, and we're going to try and demonstrate for us the bladed slap effect. The CH-47 Chinook helicopter from your Royal Canadian Air Force.